welcome back to another episode of the amazing Chandler Show! Today, we'll be reviewing like carrot juice on a cupcake. So, Eleanor is the main character here. Eleanor and her best friend Paul, when a new student named Eleanor comes into play, she steals Eleanor's spot as Paul's best friend. So, Paul tells Eleanor a deep secret of Eleanor, and Eleanor accidentally leaks it to the whole class. And then pretty much under a week later, the news is pretty much spread to the whole school. So, plus she gets to sing in a play, but she doesn't want to. So, Eleanor does a really mean thing, and Paul and Eliana do not want to talk anymore. But slowly they build back their friendship, and at the end, everything works out and they're good friends. What I liked, my favorite part was when they got back together and they were friends. My favorite character was Eleanor, and I didn't really learn anything. Actually, I didn't really learn anything, but there's something you can learn. What if I didn't like? It wouldn't be anything. I wouldn't do anything. But the big brain moment, the smartest lesson or idea from this was that you always need to include your friends, because maybe they could separate out on you. And I think your parents would like this book. This 10 out of 10. My rating is 10 out of 10. This story is amazing. The lines are peak cinema. It's really, really great. Highly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be blessed, feel blessed, stay blessed. Comment your rating below, and have a fantastic day. See you on the flip side.